Are you looking for a large room air purifier? Well, check this out. This air purifier is rated for a room of up to 2,800 square feet. It has double-sided air filtration system that is easy to clean, easy to take out. Pull these off, and it also has a washable pre-filter, so you don't have to replace anything. You simply wash these off, put them back on with the Velcro, and put the whole system back together again. Can't get any easier than that. And these just go right back up and snap into place. And on the very top here, it has an area where you can put air freshener, oils to make the room smell good too. And it comes with extra pads as well. And when you first unbox it, the power adapter is in a little compartment right underneath here. So you have to take it out of here and it plugs into there. And this also has an air quality monitor on it as well. That'll tell you a numerical value of the air quality, and an indicator light here is green, yellow, or red. And the filtration system on both sides is a 3-stage filter. Like I was saying before, there is the pre-filter, HEPA filter, and a charcoal filter. This thing is great. So let's go see this thing in action. I put this in our hallway because the air conditioning intake is right here in this hallway, so it filters all the air that goes into the air conditioner. As you can see here, fan speed. Now it's on as high as it'll go. You want to make sure you have plenty of room in between both sides. You have a timer where your time to go for 4 hours, 6 hours, and 8 hours. Reset for whenever you clean your filters or change your filters. And like I said, this is really quiet. There's not a whole lot of sound coming out of this right now. And the essential oils, it's right here. You open this up and you can put your pad right in here. Well, I hope my video helps you out, and thanks for watching.